Good day everyone, this is Patrick from EasyFX Code Trading System, and it's Sunday the 18th of August 2019, and this is the weekly review for spot gold and dollar yen, which I've grouped together since they are inversely correlated. And we'll start off with spot gold and a recap of the events last week. You can see on the daily chart, there was a wild whipsaw day on the Tuesday, and that was when the US decided to delay the 10% tariffs on China goods till the mid-December, and this offered some relief to the markets, and as such it was a risk-on mode for a day with the dollar getting stronger and spot gold was sold off. We switch to the 4-hour chart, and that was the high recent high formed at 1535, and it fell all the way to the 4-hour 55 EMA. On the 1 hour it is find support at the 1 hour 200 EMA. Back to the 4-hour here. But after that it managed to recover back to the 138 Fibonacci extension level and continued higher again throughout the rest of the week to hit the weekly R1 pivot level at 1526. Switching back to the daily chart, so you see that it's been consolidating within the weekly R1 pivot and the 138 Fibonacci extension level at 1504, so around $22 or 220 pips range for consolidation over the last couple of days. We'll see whether this continues this coming week, and resistance is still at the 1533 200 Fibonacci extension level. It does not seem to give a signal yet whether it's able to extend higher to reach the 1544 area. So there could be further consolidation first, and there's still support at this key 1500 psychological level as well. Now switching to dollar yen, and dollar yen on the Tuesday did the reverse, which was it found support and turned bullish from just above the 105 support level and shot up right to the previous swing low at the 106.80 area, and in fact it spiked through. So that was a very bullish day for the dollar yen, which is over 180 pips, and then retraced the following day back to the 138 fib and oscillated around for that between the weekly R1 pivot level 106.70 area to the 106 level, and where the weekly pivot is as well, just below the 106. So that's the range of consolidation now, and we'll see whether this continues for this week, and to see whether it's able to recover higher. And there aren't many key news events this week, as there's mainly only monetary policy meeting minutes being released. The RBA on Tuesday, FOMC is on the early Thursday morning, and the ECB on Thursday, and followed by the key symposium at Jackson Hole by central bankers, finance officials, and academics alike. And we'll see what Fed Chair Powell has in store for us when he makes his speech, and how he views the positive economic data and balances that with trade wars, trade war tensions, and global economic growth overall. So that's over on Friday and Saturday. We'll see the following week on to see what the price action is based on the outcome of those speeches and discussions. All right, so meanwhile, we'll follow up on Tuesday on the price action for the coming week. And meanwhile, have a good trading week and cheers.